Hi, I'm Lily, and you're watching Tinseltown Digs, where we explore life in Southern California. Today I'm at the Vista Hermosa Nature Park, which is located at the western gate to downtown Los Angeles. This 10.5-acre park is just a little piece of heaven in the big city. Vista Hermosa Park is located just minutes from downtown LA and is a much-needed retreat for this densely populated area. There is plenty of free parking right outside of the Vista Terrace gate. Or find the parking lot off of Toluca. Children will love the Children's Adventure area, which features a giant snake. And a turtle-themed climbing rock with a slide. Plenty of space to run and some picnic tables complete this area. Then take a walk on the trail that runs around the entire park. And discover large green areas that are perfect for a picnic. Then follow the sound of running water to the grotto. As you enjoy the lush greens and the fresh air, you can almost forget that you're in the middle of the second largest city in the United States. But then there are the skyscrapers of downtown peeking through the green trees.